You've seen the headlines. Companies are downsizing, people are theorizing it's because of AI. Maybe your friends and family are even talking about their fear that AI will take their job. It's important to know that AI is not one technology that's going to do everyone's job. In our What is AI video, we talked about how AI is a branch of computer science with multiple technologies inside of it. And this is why people are scared. So many jobs are at risk because there are multiple different technologies being developed. And these fears are completely valid because it is likely that AI will take some jobs or make them obsolete. But it's not as scary as we think. There are many reasons why AI is likely to take some jobs. The first reason being automation. Automation is when you let a technology perform a task for you, like whenever you schedule an email to send out or if you schedule posts on social media. Automation is great for jobs that have predictable or standardized activities. And this is because AI can perform these repetitive and routine tasks more efficiently than humans can. Speaking of efficiency, that is another reason why it's likely AI will take some jobs. We've talked about how AI can analyze vast amounts of data very fast in comparison to humans. So the companies that need this type of work performed can use AI to do it in a much more efficient way. And this ultimately reduces cost for a company, which is another benefit and why AI will take some jobs. Machines are also available 24/7. I don't know about you guys, but I'm not trying to work 24 hours a day. So this is another huge benefit of using AI in companies. These are all reasons why in the future AI will likely render some current jobs obsolete. However, in our What is AGI video, we talked about how the current phase of AI that we are in is called narrow AI or ANI. So AI currently can do some tasks like helping us with search or like creative generation like ChatGPT. It can play chess. But we're not in the phase of AGI yet, or artificial general intelligence, which is when we would see a lot more of the changes to the job market. There are quite a few jobs that are likely to be affected in the immediate term. Things like manufacturing. So especially whenever robotics starts to take off, it's likely that robots will do a majority of warehouse work and manufacturing work. Data entry will also be affected because this is a tedious, repetitive task that will be very easy for machines to automate. Again, with the improvement of robotics, retail will likely change. So we'll have a lot of robots who are assisting us in stores. Customer service is being affected pretty immediately. There are a lot of chatbots that companies are currently using to support their customers. Sales will be affected. So AI will actually be able to sell products for companies. Delivery. I'm sure you've seen the news about Amazon trying to use drones to deliver packages. Financial analysis. So this is another tedious, repetitive task that AI can perform pretty well. Legal research. Another tedious task that lawyers are currently doing that AI will help them with. Even medical diagnostics. So being able to diagnose disease in humans is something that machines can do with very impressive efficiency and accuracy. I feel like the video up to this point has been kind of negative. It's about a lot of loss. But here is why I said we should not be as worried as we think. AI's overall impact on employment will depend on several factors. One being the technological development of AI, 2, societal acceptance of using this technology, and even the rate at which the workforce will adapt and acquire new skills. Yes, this is why this channel exists, to help you learn about new technology so that it doesn't negatively impact your life. And here's the most exciting part: AI will create new jobs. Before the internet, social media manager or app developer didn't exist as a job. And now there are hundreds or thousands of new roles because we have this thriving new technology. And AI becoming a bigger part of our everyday lives will do the exact same. We need people to design and maintain AI. We'll need investigative journalists to investigate the safety of AI. And a lot of existing jobs will be safe for a very long time. Jobs that require creativity, specialized skills, empathy, strategy. So things like artists, therapists, social workers will actually need more of these roles because these aren't tasks that machines or AI can do. Just don't go to college for coding because the NVIDIA CEO says So in the short term, AI will impact some roles, and it's very normal to feel scared or unsure of your future, especially if you're working in one of the industries that I listed off as likely to be impacted by AI. But this isn't a straightforward issue of man versus machine. It's dynamic and changing, and it's about harnessing the power of AI to make us more effective in the work that we do and our ability to progress as humans. And AI taking jobs isn't new. Car factories have been using robots for welding or painting for years. Tesla uses very high automation, but still relies heavily on humans. Elon himself has said humans are underrated. His employees work with the machines to troubleshoot, and Tesla has been hiring people to manage the robots. So AI created new roles at Tesla. And while healthcare can be affected, Google DeepMind can detect over 50 eye diseases like a doctor would, but it doesn't replace the doctors. They're just able to diagnose earlier and faster, so doctors can see more patients and help more people. The doctors and AI work together. And this is because AI doesn't work on its own. It requires humans to collaborate with it. It will automate some tasks, it will take some roles, but it will also create a lot of new ones. And humans will be able to augment the work that AI does and create new roles and opportunities. It may impact some roles, but ultimately new technology leads to job creation. AI goes so much deeper than you think. Check out our last video, What is ML? It has this entire cognitive science aspect to it that I just absolutely love. Next time we'll talk about what is an LLM. And I gotta film 2 more videos, so I'll see you guys in the next one.